welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please hit that subscribe button below. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this exact lip gloss shade. After you've sanitized your area, you're going to want a bowl and a spoon. I usually get ones that you can throw away afterwards. It's less of a mess. And then this is the glitter I use. It is Bronze Reflex. Got it off of the TKB trading website. I can link it in the description box below. Also, you're going to need some TKB Versagel. It is a lip gloss base. Some coconut oil. You really only need coconut oil, but I use other oils like jojoba oil and grapeseed oil and usually vitamin E oil, but I am out of that. But if you're just starting, just use coconut oil. So you're going to want a syringe. I got that off of Amazon. I believe I got 4 in the pack for like $8 or $9. And then some flavoring. You can get your flavoring off Etsy or get it at Walmart. I use the Loran oils. They work fine for me. I've used them for a long time. So guys, you're going to start off by combining all of your oils together. If you're just using coconut oil, then you don't have to do this. But right now I'm just combining all my oils. I usually do all of my oils first because I use more oil than Versagel because like the consistency is what really matters. I like it non-sticky. After you've done that, you can put in your Versagel. After you're done doing that, you can add in your Versagel and just keep stirring it until all the clumps are gone. So now that I have it to the consistency I want, I'm going to add in my pigment. I usually do 2 or 3 little like spoonfuls of this. If you don't have these little spoons, just tap in a good amount of pigment. I like mine more pigmented. I like the glitter look with the gloss. Could have added my flavoring in with the oils, but I forgot, so I'm going to add it in now. I usually suggest doing like 1 to 3 drops depending how much like Versagel you do have. Right now I believe I put in like 2 drops the most. You just don't want it too strong. I did not show it in this video, but I did take a little eyedropper, one of the plastic ones, and I cut it to fit to my syringe. So then when I do put it in the tube, it reaches all the way down to the bottom. But right now, I am just sucking up all of my lip gloss so I can put it into my tube. By the way, guys, if you have not done it already, please wash your tubes. I usually wash mine with soap and water, and I add in a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no germs or none of that. So all of my tubes are washed already. I already had them pre-washed before this video. I just want to put that out there because a lot of people don't do it, but especially with all the viruses going around right now, make sure you wash your tubes. That is it. That's all you do. All you have to do now is put on your tops, and what I suggest doing is washing it in warm water and add a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It takes off all those oils and gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other video suggestions or shade colors, please let me know and comment below. And thanks for watching.